Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you wonder that can you split payment on Google Pay, then the answer is yes. Google Pay, also known as GPay, is a popular digital wallet and payment app developed by Google. It allows users to make secure and conventional digital payments, transfer money, split bills, and more, all through their mobile devices. Now, how to split a bill on GPay with a new group? So, to create a new group within the GPay split with friends, follow this step-by-step instructions. The first step is open the Google Pay application on your Android device or on your iOS devices. Then step 2 is access the split feature. So for that, look for the search bar. At the top of the app, it might say search people or pay by name or phone number. Tap it. You will see an option for new group. Choose that option. You can simply click on it and you can find the option to create a new group. So, create your group. In the new group section, start building your new group by searching for the contacts you want to include by their name or phone number. Once you have found everyone, select them to add them to the group. After selecting everyone, tap continue and add people, just like this. When you click on it, you can find all the contacts that are connected with you on GPay. Then you can select one by one that the expected recipients that you want to explain the split the money between, and you can, after choosing that, you can find this type of button like add a person. You can find add person if you have multiple persons, so you can simply click on add persons, then they will add it as a group. Then step 4 is name your group. It's actually optional, but it will help you a lot for further use, so you can use that group for further money sending, and you can split it between again if you need, so you don't need to create group again and again. If you have named it, like Google Pay always allows you to assign a name to your group for easier identification. This step is optional, but it can be helpful for future bill split. Enter a group name and tap create. Now step 5 is enter the bill details. Enter the total amount of the bill you want to split. You can also add the description for the specific bill. This helps everyone remember what they are paying for. So you can select them and you can add the description in this section, and you can also add some analytics if you want. So then you can simply click on done button here. Now step 6 is split the bill. By default, Google Pay will split the bill equally among everyone in the group. If you need to add just individual amounts, GPay provides you with the 3 other options, like split by amounts, split by shares, and split by percentages. So you can choose any one as per you need. Just like here, you can find that split. This option is split by person. So if it will split the amount equally in everyone that are listed as a recipient, or in this number icon you can individually add or enter some amount manually if you want. So like this here, you can see this person will get 300 and this person will get 200. And also you can set the analytics. You can split it according to the percentage. Here you can see according to the percentage here. So you can enter the percentage and they will get the amount according to the entered percentage. So it will automatically be calculated by GPay. Now step 7 is send the split request. Once everyone looks good, tap send request. This is the request button here. This sends a notification to everyone in the group, letting them know they owe money for the bill. You can use Google Pay to easily pay your share. So if you want to send or split money between the person in existing group, then you can find your groups in this section. In people section, you can find the groups here. it will be listed here, or you can simply click on more button here to find out your group. Once you have created a group, it will be saved in people section. Then you can simply go to that group and you can follow the rest of the steps to split the money between that peoples. So that's how you can easily split payment on Google Pay. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.